Hello recommenders, this is Romeo from recommendationbook.com, and today I have another discussion. Today I want to talk about hard-use knives. Some time ago I was having a conversation with someone on the internet, and I asked him what would be a good steel for a hard-use folding knife. He replied 3V steel, and then proceeded to say hard-use folding knives are nonsense. In this video, I wanna say that hard-use folding knives are not nonsensical. You always hear people saying, use the right tool for the right job. To make an analogy that I heard in another channel, you wouldn't use a Ferrari off-road, and you wouldn't use a off-road Jeep in a car racing. Right tool for the right job. So let's think about knives. What's the job of a knife? A knife is built to cut 5 things only, that being plastic, paper, wood, food, and human flesh. And that's all a knife is designed to cut. So if you're gonna use a knife for its intended purpose, you're gonna cut plastic, paper, wood, food, and human flesh only. You won't use a knife to pry, you won't use a knife as a screwdriver. But you will only use a knife for the right job always, if the word's perfect. And that's my point. The word is not perfect. So you won't always have the right tool for the right job at all times. How many times have you been in a situation where you did not have the right tool for the right job and you had to improvise? And that's exactly why hard-use knives and folding knives make sense. Take for example this FASB knife here. It can take a beating. But I won't give a beating on purpose. I'm gonna use this knife for its intended purpose. But if I end up in a situation that I had to use this knife to pry a door open in an emergency, then a hard-use folding knife would make sense. Now you say, get a pry bar. Suppose you don't have a pry bar in a situation that you had to pry a door open. Suppose all you had was a folding knife. It's not the right tool for the right job, but you're gonna have to improvise if it's all you have. Suppose you had a Ferrari and you had to take someone to the hospital and you have to go off-road. It's not the right tool for the right job, but you would have to improvise. My point is, life's not perfect. You won't always have the right tool at hand, and you're gonna have to improvise. And that's why hard-use knives and hard-use folding knives make sense, because you're gonna buy and you're gonna use it for what the knife was designed for. But if you end up in a situation where you had to use this knife for a hard-use job, you're gonna have to improvise. Well, so this is it. This is all I have for you today. Put your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching and see you later.